So these were 4 of my most favorite smart home scenarios that I use almost every day. They save me a ton of time and unnecessary hassle, and today I'd love to break them down for you. But before I do that, it's important to know how automation scenarios work. Each automation scenario is triggered by specific phrases that you set up in a smart home application of your choosing, like Alexa or Google Home. I use Google Home because I love the UI and Google's overall software support. So the first scenario is coming home, triggered by the phrase "I'm home" or "I am back." The moment this phrase is registered, there are a series of actions to be executed in a certain order, which I have set. For example, the first task to be executed is to turn on the LED lights at 35% brightness, followed by turning on the pedestal fan at low speed. The second scenario, subsequent to coming home, is leaving home, triggered by the phrase "I am leaving." The series of actions to be executed by this phrase are turning off all room lights, including ceiling light, LED lights, and star projector, followed by turning off the fan. These scenarios are very convenient as, for example, I'm heading out in a rush, which happens quite often to be honest. All I gotta do is tell Google that I'm heading out and she takes care of shutting everything off, instead of me trying to reach for buttons here and there. The third and my most favorite scenario is triggered by the phrase cinema mode. Cinema mode preps the room for the perfect movie night with a little starlight ceiling effect. Now I love watching movies on my room theater setup, but setting the room up would be a hassle considering I had 5 different remotes, including the ones for lighting. So reaching for each one and then turning them on to specific settings would be too much of a hassle. Anyhow, that changed since I have the actions and specific lighting settings all set up within the phrase of cinema mode. The series of actions to be executed by this phrase are turning off any room lights and turning the starlight on to a specific combination setting, color, and brightness level. Then it's turning on the projector and soundbar, and we're all set to have the coziest movie night. The final scenario is going to bed, triggered by the phrase "good night." The series of actions to be executed by this phrase are turning off all room lights and turning the starlight on at only the star setting at the lowest brightness, set to turn off after 2 hours. This scenario also checks for the fan being on. So these were my favorite smart home scenarios that have made my life so much easier. If you guys have any questions about setting up these automation scenarios or where to start if you're interested in a smart home setup, let me know in the comments and I can make videos about them. Thank you all for watching, and do consider subscribing if you thought this was helpful.